go ahead and
Viewers are interested in hearing what you guys have to say. Anyone else?
Nope. This is where it cuts out right here, but it's still running. For some reason, it just didn't upload everything. It comes back on. Me and two other girls. Where it's
powerful. So why did you move to the cracks? Go back there and did you work the Jeep? What did you do?
Now they laugh, but here it comes.
Yeah, I didn't need to. You didn't need to watch.
You want to talk to me?
What the hell are y'all talking?
Your brother. We asked again, and we get,
You don't need the part. Again, please. And then stop it. I always want to question that again.
Because we cut the question.
Are you kidding me? I only have a certain question that was did you look at Jeep?
Listen to the word Jeep.
And, cellular energy? And how long did you do that?
Evidently there's a Secretary of Energy at Jeep. Now this next one talks about Emily, and you'll hear it calls her name, and then it says read your Bible. We'll go read your Bible. Listen for that.
It's not? No? Where's the wheel? Emily, let me know. Spackle?
Sounded like spackle to us.
So have you do
I
that?
replayed it again.
Obviously, we're still here.
You can hear it a second time. Emily.
Did you say Emily? Yeah.
Emily, let me know. Spackle? Did you say spackle?
So, with that being said, that's, I don't know how clear that is. I hope it's pretty clear enough. So you get the idea. It's consistent communication, and especially in the place that I'm at, it without fail, every time you turn it on, you're never disappointed. I gotta say, there's been a lot of stuff that's happened to it, a lot, and it's about 81 years old, so it's got some history to it. But they're about to foreclose it, and so we're trying to get recordings out of it, but that's what we've got so far. But I kind of want to pass this along to the paranormal community. If you maybe think about using those two tools together, because we don't know what's coming out that we can't hear of that voice box, or so that's what the digital recorder comes in handy for on that. It kind of clarifies it when you play it back later, but you can reach me at BCSINERGY, there's no spaces there, SINERGY @att.net, if you want any more information on how I did that and where this location's at. And with that, that's about it. Thank you very much.